Hello everyone, good morning. Today we are going to discuss about chemical properties of carbon. Chemical properties of carbon. First property of carbon is reaction with air. Reaction with air or reaction with oxygen. When carbon burns in presence of limited air, it will form carbon monoxide, and when oxygen supply in sufficient form, that means excess amount, then carbon form carbon dioxide. Now reaction, carbon burns in presence of oxygen, but oxygen is less amount, then it will form carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide, which chemical formula is CO. Now balance the chemical equation. Here oxygen is 2, so multiply by 2. Oxygen is balanced, but carbon becomes 2. So multiply by 2 on reactant side in carbon atom. Now when carbon burns in presence of excess amount of oxygen, then carbon completely burn in presence of oxygen and form carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide, that means CO2. Now balance the chemical equation. Here number of oxygen atom is 2 on reactant side, and same number of oxygen atom are present in carbon dioxide on product side. Carbon is 1 on product side and carbon is 1 on reactant side. So this is a balanced chemical equation. Now second chemical property, reaction with hydrogen. Reaction with hydrogen. Carbon react with hydrogen. Carbon react with hydrogen to form hydrocarbon. And this hydrocarbon is different in molecular formula. When carbon reacts with hydrogen to form different hydrocarbon, which depends upon amount of carbon and hydrogen. Now reaction is carbon with symbol is C react with hydrogen H2, it will form CH4. When carbon react with hydrogen to form CH4, that is methane. Its chemical name is methane. Then hydrogen is 2 molecule. Where carbon react with 2 molecule of hydrogen gas, then it will form methane gas. Methane gas is a main source of CNG gas. CNG gas. C for compressed and for natural. G for gas. Compressed natural gas. Methane is main component of CNG gas. This chemical formula is CH4. When carbon react with hydrogen in excess amount, then it will form C2H6, ethane. Chemical formula of ethane is C2H6. Now here hydrogen is 6, so multiply by 3. Hydrogen becomes 6. Carbon is 2, so multiply by 2. Now this is a balanced equation. So in this reaction we will see hydrocarbon form on the amount of carbon and hydrogen. That means we can say that when carbon react with hydrogen on the basis of amount of carbon and hydrogen, it will form different types of hydrocarbon. Now next property is reducing nature of carbon. Reducing nature of carbon. What means reducing nature? Reducing nature means remove oxygen atom. Remove oxygen from metal oxide. From metal oxide. When carbon remove oxygen from metal oxide, then carbon act as a reducing nature. So this reaction is reducing nature of carbon. Reducing nature of carbon, in which carbon react with metal oxide and remove oxygen from metal oxide. For example, zinc oxide. Zinc is a metal. So ZnO is a metal oxide. Its chemical name is zinc oxide, and it react with carbon. Carbon act as a reducing reagent or agent. So carbon remove oxygen. Carbon remove oxygen from zinc oxide ZnO and will form carbon monoxide and get zinc. That means Zn. Now next, CuO, copper oxide, which is a metal oxide, react with carbon. Carbon act as a reducing nature. So carbon remove oxygen atom from CuO, that is copper oxide, and it gives copper and liberate carbon monoxide gas. Carbon monoxide is a gas, so we will use arrow in upward direction, which indicate this product is in gaseous form. So this is a reducing nature of carbon, in which carbon remove oxygen atom from metal oxide, and this reaction shows the nature of reducing property of carbon atom. That's all for today. Thank you.